I know you've seen this kind of ceiling fan before. It could be either be a Kmart Alaska ceiling fan or whatever kind of fan that is though, which was sold at JCPenney, Kmart, or Sears, or wherever that is though. I'm just showing you a quick video of my collaboration of all ceiling fans in here. Alright, so here's the second one in the storage room. You'll have to excuse the junky mess that's been piled up in here for so many years. This fan may be old, but it still works very fine. However, when I get the junk cleared out, I'm going to need to clean out those blades because they've been dirty since, I don't know, probably for the last 2 years, I believe, or whatever. Anyway, the reason why I use two of these chains to see two of the ceiling fans are different is because both of these chains, which looks like the brown one. Well, the original chain broke off years ago, so like around the mid-90s, I replaced the chain with a pull string, and a few years back I also replaced the chain with a pull string, but then I decided to replace it with another pull chain instead. So well, you know. By the way, before I close off, I'm only gonna test one ceiling fan, cause this fan still. I'm only gonna test out one ceiling fan though. That's all. And then I'm going to close. Once again, you have to excuse the mess. Thank you. It'll be better if I turn the light off, so that way you'll get a better viewing of the fan that spins fast. Plus, this fan also has a motor. Forgot to tell you, this fan usually makes I don't know, make that part of chain hit the glass thing a little. The one in the den used to do that though, but ever since I got that fixed since '05, it doesn't do that. It doesn't make that much noise anymore. The one in my bedroom doesn't make any of that noise either. Anyway, once again, this fan still works though. Right, let me just turn it off though, and I'll close this video once the fan blade stops spinning. Alright. Once again, as I was saying, I'll close this. I'll close this video once the fan blade stops spinning. Like I mentioned on my last video, these fans I got, they're like from the mid-80s, so they still work pretty fine. Alright, one final thing. One thing that makes the ceiling fan so beautiful is the stencil markings on the blades that you see here. You'll have to ignore the dust. Okay, That's it. Hope you enjoyed my video. This is Ball 104 signing off.